Hi everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, it's that time of the week, Friday again. It's Friday the 25th of September and we're ready with our golden tickets for those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who have been exceptional all week long. Really well done, not only in school but at home as well, doing their reading, making sure they're doing lots and lots, and actually lots of children posting things on Class Dojo, so really well done guys. So we're going to start off in year 3. In year 3, this person has a great attitude to learning. They're resilient, never stop trying, even when they find things tricky. This person is a good friend and is always helpful. We have so many helpful children at the moment in school. It is lovely to see. Please, please keep it up. But the golden ticket goes to none other than Mia. There she is, look at her. Absolutely brilliant, Mia. Really well done, really well deserved, huh? This is coming around today. I'm bringing it around with some special treats. Maybe you can share these with Mum and Stephen when you get home, who knows, at tea, or keep them for yourself. But really well done, really proud of you, and thank you for everything that you are doing. Please, please keep it up. Moving on, here we go. Look at Mr. Ackerman's, here we go. This child has had a fantastic week, trying her hardest in every subject, always listening and ready to learn. That's it, full stop. We don't need any more because it goes to none other than Aaliyah. Look at Aaliyah, she absolutely is. You can see she's got, with her maths, everything ready. Even down at forest schools, working hard, trying her best and doing that all the time. You see, not only that, but also, Mr. Ackerman, I know, has told me he's been reading non-stop, so really, really well done, Aaliyah. You absolute superstar. Well deserved. Treats will be coming as well. Maybe you can share them as well with your sister, but who knows? It's up to you, but really, really well deserved, hun. A great, great week. Keep it up. Year 4, go, look out. This child gives 100% effort. 100%, no less, to every task and every lesson. They're kind and helpful around the classroom. They always make the right choices. They set an excellent example for other children in class, and it's exactly that. Everything that we expect of a child of Mark Cross Primary School, being polite, being helpful, just setting a really good example. That's why this child has won the golden ticket. Here we go. Look at Mia. You absolute superstar, Mia. Big smile on your face. There you are, star worker as well, no surprise. Getting organised, getting involved in every single aspect of your learning, really, really well done, and setting a perfect example for others to copy. If they copy you, they might get this as well. Really well done, and enjoy your treats as well tonight. Well done. Moving on, here we go. So, Mr. Pinner, for impeccable behaviour, no less. Very conscientious and always puts lots of thought into their work. They are also an excellent contributor to class discussions. It's great to have this child in class. It certainly is. The golden ticket goes to, here he comes, Subhan. Look at him, absolutely brilliant. Subhan, I couldn't agree more with Mr. Pinner. You are an absolute superstar, really well deserved. Enjoy your treats. Maybe you can share them with your brother. I'll leave that to you, or even your sisters. Well done, proud of you, buddy. Huge congratulations, and enjoy and keep this somewhere safe. Well done. Moving on to year 5. Let's have a look in year 5. We've got Miss Arthurton. She reads more than once a day. I mean, just avid reader. Works hard in every lesson, and her work is always beautifully presented. She also goes on spelling shed and regularly posts work on Class Dojo. So hopefully you'll have a good idea who this might be. I know who it is. It's coming up. Freya! Here she is. Whizzing in. Lovely smile, Freya. As always, huge congratulations, hun. Well done. You can add this to your many, many, many golden tickets, because I know you have got lots now. Enjoy the treats. Maybe you can share that then with your brother. At home, tea time, maybe not. It's up to you, hon. You decide, and I'm sure you will. But huge congratulations. Thank you for keeping up all that brilliant, brilliant work, and into year 5. Well done. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite. This child is a delight. They constantly work as hard as they can. They read every day. They help others. They always contribute. They are always ready. They are a delight to teach, and they always have a smile on their face. Thank you. Thank you. The golden ticket goes to, there she is, Nadia. Absolutely. Nadia, you are a superstar. Really well deserved. Just like Freya, add it to your tens of golden tickets that you've won since you've been at school, and enjoy your treats as well. Huge congratulations, Nadia. Thank you for being such a superstar. Well done. Finally, we're moving on to year 6, and you'll see Miss Percy for always being ready, doing the right thing without being asked to, and being an excellent role model for the rest of the year group and the rest of the school, which is all I ask of year 6s. Please be role models for the rest of the school. Just as we do, we expect these golden ticket winners are role models for the rest of the school to copy. And the golden ticket for Miss Percy's class goes to Taylor Lee, there she is. She always is ready. She's brilliant, brilliant. So I am so pleased, Taylor Lee, that you have won this. Add it to your golden tickets as well. And with your treats, maybe you can share that as well this evening at tea time, or have them yourself. It's up to you, but really well deserved. Thank you, Taylor Lee, you superstar. Great start to year 6. Finally, Mr. Davison's. Her effort in every lesson has been exemplary. She is an extremely positive member of the class, and she regularly completes extra home learning without prompting. You will do so well at high school. I am sure of it, and it goes to Scarlett. Scarlett, you superstar. You are absolute superstar. There you are, head down, just getting on like you always do, always doing the right thing, always trying your hardest. Thank you, Scarlett, for being such a superstar year 6, and well deserved. And again, maybe you can share your treats with your sisters and your mum and dad, but it's up to you. You deserve it. You've won it, so really, really well done. Well done. Finally, it's just for me to say well done to all of our golden ticket winners, absolute superstars. Thank you from Mr. Allen. You make my job much, much easier. Really well done. And finally, all enjoy, have a fantastic weekend. Before we know it, Monday we'll be here. We'll see you all at the gate, big smiling faces. So please do enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye for now, everyone.